In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Game Recording. We'll walk through the setup, the different recording modes, essential hotkeys, and how to capture highlights while you play, all inside the Steam client. Start by opening Steam, then go to the menu at the top and choose Settings, and select Game Recording. This is your control center. First, set the maximum disk space Steam is allowed to use for recordings. This keeps long sessions from filling your drive. Next, choose the save location so you always know where your clips will end up. Finally, pick your audio sources. You can capture just the game audio, your microphone, or both. If you plan to add commentary, make sure your mic is selected and levels look healthy before you jump into a game. Now choose your recording mode. Off disables recording entirely. Record in background keeps Steam quietly capturing as you play and maintains up to the last 120 minutes in a temporary buffer. If something great happens, you can save it after the fact. Just remember that background captures are temporary until you save them. Record manually gives you full control so you start and stop recording with a hotkey when the action begins and ends. Next, customize hotkeys and quality. By default, Ctrl plus F11 starts and stops manual recording. Ctrl plus F12 drops a timeline marker so you can flag important moments without stopping play. F12 still takes screenshots, and you can also set an instant replay key if you prefer quick captures of recent gameplay. Choose keys that don't conflict with your game controls. Then set your recording quality, length, and resolution. You can apply settings globally or tailor them per game for the best balance between visual clarity and file size. If storage is tight, consider lowering resolution or shortening clip length. When you're ready, launch a game from your Steam library. Press Shift plus Tab to open the Steam overlay. If recording is active, you'll see the recording bar with your status and controls. While playing, use your hotkeys to mark moments, trigger instant replay, or start and stop a manual recording. In the overlay timeline, you can pin key plays, clip specific sections, and save highlights either during your session or right after you finish. If you've been recording in the background, make sure to save anything you want to keep before closing the game or Steam. That's all you need to start capturing your gameplay with Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.